Hello guys, today I'm gonna present the interior of the Kia Proceed GT. As we know, it's a sport car, but the spaces are pretty big. I will set my seat totally back. As you see, I don't even catch the pedals. I will leave it like that and I will show what is behind. If the seat will go totally back, behind it's really not much place. But I don't think that too much people are so tall. Let's go behind. Now on the back seat. As you see, not much place, but so I am 170. As per height, it's okay, even if I have the panorama deck. Okay, the seat is too much back. I don't know if there is such a driver, but it's fine. In general, it's comfortable. I made the travel back here. It's very comfortable. There is a place here for your drink. Electric windows. There is a LED light here. Holder. And also settings for the air conditioner. So now we will open our boot. We can open by key or just by clicking here. This is just to hide what you have inside in your baggage. It's fine, you can easily take it off. It's just this part. There are more spaces in this baggage. There is no reserve wheel, but there is this place here. There is a lot of place here. Also, this is a hole that you can take it off. And this is what you have in Kia Proceed. You don't have a reserve wheel, but just you have a set that you can fill some air. There's a pump here just to go to the next station to fix your wheel if something will happen. There is also on this side. Everything is, I will call it, smart place. And on the back side here also the same. On the left side we have, in case of emergency, that we have a fire. It was already included in the car. And now we have this option here that if we will pull this, the chair falls down. And this is what you have. In internet it says that we talk about 600 liters volume of boot. It's pretty big, pretty height. I think we have like more than 70 centimeters height here. A lot of place. So on the co-driver, comfortable, the seat is already full. There is no electric chair on this side. I don't know if this is for my car or this is general. You have to set it manually. And this is totally bad. You have also some place here for the books or something more. In general, this is what we have. So we have also opened our sunroof. Two settings there for sunroof. If you will push it inside, it will just tip a little bit open. Like now. Now push the wheel back. And it opens completely. As anyone can call it completely this, but this is all. So we close it. We have a lot of place here in our armband, or in our under our arm to hide. It's a bit deep. Disinfection gel this times. Place to keep our drinks. As you see, this is to keep it even if it's smaller. How to hold in general. This button here is empty because, as I read on the internet, this is for some countries included, that they have ventilation in their chair. In our country there is no, it's a little bit colder here. Something to add now, here we can give our sunglasses, and also the mirror is automatically regulated. We can turn it on or off by this button here. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, and we will keep presenting more and more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.